I feel a chemistry.
Hey queens, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to show this video just to show all my braiders out there that you can have your nails done and still do hair. So what I'm using to soak off my old nails is hot water, olive oil, and a nail polish remover. And I'm just going to soak it for like 10 minutes and just clip them off. They just slide right off with this oil. Now your nails are supposed to last you about a month. Because the first time I did mine, I was rushing. I didn't really do them properly, so they didn't really last as long as I wanted them to. So this time around, I'm going to do them properly, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I'm going to be using BT Art Box, the short French nails. I found these on TikTok, and I was like, ooh, let me try these out. Okay, so I ordered everything else on Amazon. I ordered the UV lamp, the gel glue, the primer. I also ordered the builder gel and the top coat. Yeah, I ordered all of that separately from the nails. I'll have the link down below to those. I also used rubbing alcohol and cuticle oil. So this is how the nails come. They are packaged so nicely and so neat. Now what I like about BT Art Box is that they're very generous and they give you a lot of nails to work with and not just one pack of nails. And they all come together so that you can measure your nail before putting it on, and I really like that. Not a lot of nail companies do that. So yeah, the first thing I want to do is prep my nails. I'm going to push my cuticles back and file it down. Now because I'm putting the primer on there, I didn't really have to file it. Because the primer, what it does is dehydrates your nail bed. So you don't really have to file your nails if you're using the primer, but I only did it because I had extra gel on there from my previous set. So what I'm going to do now, the first thing I'm going to do is measure out which nail is good for my nail. You want to make sure that the nail fits your actual nail, like it goes from sidewall to sidewall. So when putting on this gel glue, you want to make sure you put like a little bit, but not, like you want to put a nice amount to where it's not too much. Because if you put too much gel glue, it's gonna be all over your nail, and it's gonna be a lot of cleanup. And it's gonna be sticky. So make sure you don't put too much gel glue. After putting on the glue, you're gonna cure it. And you want to make sure that you're really squeezing that nail on your nail. And you're just going to take off I don't even know what this is called, but you're going to take it off and you're going to clip the ends, file it down. You're going to put rubbing alcohol on the nail. And you can either leave it like this, or you can do the next step where I'm going to show you what to do after, but I'm going to finish the rest of my nails and then come back to you guys. Okay, here is where I'm showing you what happens when you put too much gel glue underneath your nail. But if that happens to you, all you have to do is clip it off with the nail clipper, and yeah, it will come off. But make sure you're not putting too much gel glue so that won't happen, and it will look nice and neat. So you can keep it like this if you want. It's basically like a matte French look. But what I'm going to do is put a builder gel and my top coat on top of it so that it will be a shiny look to it. So the first thing you want to do is put a thin layer of builder gel on your nail first. Make sure it's a thin layer, because if it's too much, it's going to look really bulky and not look natural, as if you got it done at the nail salon. So you want to make sure that you do that, and then you cure it for like 60 seconds, and then you put the top coat on top. And you want to also make sure that this is a thin layer. Make sure that you're not putting too much of the top coat on your nail. Then you're gonna cure it for 60 seconds or for however long you want to cure it for. And then you're basically done, and all you gotta do is put cuticle oil on your nail. We can wash your hands right after, put some lotion on, whatever you want to do. But yeah, that's basically how you do all of the nails. And then you're just gonna repeat the same steps to each nail, and that's basically it. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. I hope you enjoy. If you found this video helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.